Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sounds and vibration. There we have to localize this section, so the second section is connected with the sounds or the ringtones, and the top option is the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, at the top of this list we've got the silent option, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call, and you can tap on this plus icon, so you will be transferred to your own files. Of course, give all the permissions, and if you've got anything, for example, downloaded or recorded, it will appear right there and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one. Hello. Why we cannot hear it? Oh, okay, because we've got do not disturb. So let me quickly turn it off. It's right here. Okay. So as you can hear, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option and listen how it sounds. After deciding, so let's pretend I want this Moon Discovery set as my default ringtone, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.